SANDHAN, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.
Namaskar, dear students. Today we are going to see information and communication technology in education. In topic information and communication technology in education, we are going to see what do you mean by information and communication technology, what is the importance of ICT in education, how ICT helps in making our education more effective, and various programs, schemes and initiatives of government, of state as well as central government under the Ministry of Human Resource Development. What are the various programs, schemes, initiatives available? On that we see in detail. So we start with the concept information and communication technology. As we know, information and communication technology play a very vital role in our life, whether it is personal life or professional life. The information and communication technology, or we can say technologies, is an umbrella term that includes any communication device or application encompassing radio, television, cellular phones, computers and network hardware and softwares, satellite system and so on, as well as the various services and applications associated with them, such as video conferencing and distance learning. Information and communication technologies are often spoken of in a particular context, such as ICTs in education, healthcare or libraries. There are varied applications of ICTs in education. In education, with the help of ICT, we make our teaching, research, development easy. Information and communication technology helps us a lot in preparing content of our subject and helps us in delivering of all those content which develop with the help of ICT to the audience as possible as. So ICT play a very pivotal role in development of content in soft form, as well as making it deliver to the maximum audience through various means of communications. As we discuss, either the communication means is radio, television, internet, in internet through video conferencing, through web conferencing, or in case of television through broadcasting various programs, tutorials, training programs through various channels by government or private parties. So what is the role of ICT in education, or how we consider ICT in education? When we think about the ICT in education, it's a process of exchange of ideas, opinions, views, thoughts as a means that individuals and institutes shared meaning with another with the help of technology. In other words, it refers to the transmission and reception of facts, ideas, feelings, attitudes, thoughts, and opinions about a particular topic, subject, area with the help of ICT. With the help of ICT, we do develop the material content and we do deliver the same content material to the maximum audience without geographic barrier, without time barrier, without cost barrier, etc. So when we think about the role of ICT in education, as we know, ICTs are being widely used in education and interest in their use appears to be growing even in the most challenging environment in developing countries like India. ICT's potential for bringing about changes in the teaching learning paradigm. In practice, ICTs are most often used in education. As we know, ICT, information and communication technology, play a very vital role in teaching learning pattern. ICT helps us in reaching to the masses without any geographic barrier or time barrier. The user get the access of content available online at any time, anywhere across the globe. Before we see the role of ICT in education in detail, what are the necessity of ICTs? Here some points are listed like extending the learning experience, extending learning, enriching the curriculum, expanding learning horizons, helping with assessment. We see each one in brief. Extending the learning experience. ICT helps whatever learnings of a mentor or a teacher or a facilitator get passed through channels of ICT to the right audience, that is students or the learners. It also helps in learning the latest content, topic, subject to the students, through which they develop themselves by understanding the subject, content, topic, and based on the understanding they do some affirmative work which helps them in their career. Then ICT helps in developing and enriching the curriculum, and it also helps in expanding the learning horizon, wherein you can get the access of content, subject, material or information across the globe. It helps in extending the learning to the last man or student in the society at large. ICT also helps in doing the assessment of the students, wherein students do appear for online test which normally of MCQ kind of, multiple choice question kind of, or the student gives their opinion, views, thoughts on a particular issue or concern, and based on the response come from the students to the evaluator or assessor. Assessor do evaluate the responses came from the students online, and based on that gives comments on the students answers, responses. And through this, an interactive platform get created with the help of technology, wherein the student used to give the response, either MCQs or opinions or sharing the thoughts, ideas, and the evaluator, that is assessor, do give comments on their answers or responses. So ICT helps making the interaction in between students and the facilitator, which we normally known as the teacher or faculty, more effective and healthier. So student raise query at any point of time and try to get the reply through technology as earliest. Now we are going to see how ICT helps in meeting the objective of effective learning for all, anywhere, anytime across the globe. So the pictorial view of that how information and communication technologies helps in making the learning more effective to everyone, those who want to enroll, those who want to pursue, those who want to learn, whether they are placed anywhere across the globe or at any time they want to get the access of the learnings, content. So ICT helps to make available such facilities anytime, anywhere to anyone, without gender bias, without age bias, without any other bias. So for meeting the objective of effective learning for all, anywhere, anytime, ICT plays a very vital role. As we know, economy of any country is becoming or became global, wherein the information play very much pivotal role. So how the right information reach to the right audience at the right time, that makes the difference among the audience or learners or students. So as we know, the technological innovations are happening often. Every day, night, we are finding new and new technologies which are coming in the market, whether the technology is related with the laptop, computer gadgets, cellular phones, networks, or any kind of stuff. But we are seeing the technologies are changing very, very quickly. So in changing era of technological transformation, you have to do the right use of technology for the better richness to the audience. And how we do the optimum utilization of available technologies and resources for the betterment of students or concerned stakeholders, that makes our efforts worth enough. So as we know, today's economy is known as the knowledge-based economy, wherein the knowledge all about the various aspects of or various subjects of or various areas of helps the students, teachers and other stakeholders, including societal members, for developing themselves better and helps to compete with others across the globe. So, ICT helps in escalating demand for education, that how you make your learning, your teaching more effective, how you make available teaching content, material, subject content on various aspects of for everyone without gender bias, without age bias or without any such bias, and how you make it available by 24 by 7 by 365 days, anytime, anywhere, with the help of technology, and how you make it available at anywhere, whether it is available at local level, that is domestic level, whether it is available at national level, means country level, or whether the material or the information is available at an international platform, that is at a global platform. So technology only helps in managing these aspects of effective learning, that helps in making information content available for all without any bias at everywhere